Hey guys, it's Carrie with Garden Rudiments. Today we're going to be making a hanging succulent basket. So if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do so. And if you haven't already done so, hit that like button and leave me a comment on this video, because I would like to do more of these, and if this is what you want to see, that's what I would like to do for you. So in this basket, for me, this is going to be different because I'm going to be using one of my large specimens that I've just kept in a clay pot all this time. I've had this over 2 Christmases. It was bought at Kroger. I'm going to cut the blooms off, and this is going to be the thriller in my arrangement. So when you're thinking about arrangements, you need to think of where it's going to be seen from the front, back, or the side. This one is going to be hanging in the greenhouse. It's going to be for my benefit only, and for you, if you're watching, maybe you'll enjoy seeing it in the background. I'm going to be using string of pearls as a spiller. I have other assorted echeverias. This is video that I shot at the Home Depot in Murfreesboro, and it's what gave me the idea to go ahead and make my own hanging basket. They had a lot of these, and they were beautiful, and I thought they were gorgeous because they had used a lot of larger specimens that you usually don't see. Now, in putting this one in, I wanted to make sure that this could be supported by the rim of the basket, because if not, it would tumble right out. We're going to go ahead and cut off these blooms.